Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will first create a system restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, open Services, MSC, and find the Windows Update service. This is the core control. Once located, change the startup type to Disabled to prevent automatic starts, then click Stop to terminate the running process immediately. Make sure to run services as administrator, otherwise changes won't persist. After stopping, close services and move on to disabling related scheduled tasks so updates can't re-enable themselves. Now you open Task Scheduler as administrator and navigate to Microsoft/Windows/Update Orchestrator. This folder contains scheduled jobs that restart the updater. Disable every Update Orchestrator and Windows Update task, schedule, reboot, scan, update model so they cannot run. Once done, verify each task status reads disabled, and then run a manual test by forcing a reboot. Make sure updates do not resume. If any task reappears, note its name. You'll remove or rename the responsible file. Finish by preventing the system from recreating tasks. Rename update task files in C, \Windows/System32 \tasks, or set file permissions to deny system write access. This forces persistence. Then optionally block known Windows Update endpoints using the host's file or create outbound firewall rules to stop download traffic. Make sure to test by checking for updates. If updates unexpectedly return, use your system restore point or boot to safe mode to undo the changes. Troubleshooting tip: if an update breaks networking, restore the host's file and enable services again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.